The first one is a blog, and these diagrams I've updated to color code them so you can see which web pages are created using pages, which web pages are created using posts, and a third category, web pages that are created by WordPress. So we have contact, privacy, terms, and about us. These are all built with WordPress pages. And then we have the blog posts. These are all created with WordPress posts. The home page, you have some choices. By default, if you remember, the home page of a WordPress site will show the latest blog posts. As you add more blog posts to your site, they're added to the top of the home page, and eventually the ones at the bottom will scroll off as you add more to the top. But you also have the option of a static home page, and if you do that, then you can create a blog on a separate blog page which you can then link to from your menu. The second type of site is a business website, and with the business website you see that a lot more of the web pages are created using WordPress pages. The only web pages that are created using posts are for the blog, and the blog page itself is a WordPress created page. You tell WordPress where you want your blog posts to appear, and that page will be used. WordPress will then update and maintain that page for you. And then the third type is the WordPress hybrid site, where you have the usual contact, privacy, terms, about us as WordPress pages. The home page typically would be a static, although you could use it as a blog page, but we're going to have a separate blog page with blog posts created obviously with WordPress posts. And in this type of site we're also using post categories. So we're going to create a couple of post categories and some blog posts to go in them, and we're going to set it up as you can see on the screen here. So that's the plan for the next section of the course. But we're not going to create all of these sites from scratch. The thing is, it doesn't matter which type of site you build with WordPress. They all start off with the same setup process. So